Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Ali Bank and Capital One 360. Ali Bank and Capital One 360 are both strong online banking options with no monthly fees and competitive interest rates. Ali Bank is a popular online-only bank known for its high interest rates and no monthly fees. It's great for saving money thanks to tools like savings buckets that help you organize your goals. You can open checking, savings, CDs, or even invest all from one account. Customer support is available 24/7 and gets good reviews. Ali also refunds up to $10 a month in ATM fees, which helps since there are no branches. Its mobile app is easy to use and highly rated. Capital One 360 is a strong online banking option with solid savings and checking accounts that have no monthly fees. It offers competitive interest rates and a simple, user-friendly app. One big plus is that it has a physical branches and Capital One cafes, so you can get help in person if needed. It's also great for families with special accounts for kids and teens. The 360 checking account has no minimums and lets you access 70,000 plus ATMs. While it doesn't refund ATM fees like some others, it still gives great value. Overall, Ali Bank is better if you want higher savings tools and ATM fee refunds, while Capital One 360 is better if you need branch access and family-friendly features. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.